Hi, this video is going to start the Aftertreatment series. It's going to be a long series. I will interject other points of interest that don't have to do with Aftertreatment in between as I post these up. I'm going to categorize these by the engine families. So we're going to start out with the ISX 871. We're going to do the heavy duty system. So the 871 was 2007 to 2010, and then the 871 became the ISX 15 or 12 2250 series, and that was from 2010 to 2013, and then after 13 it became the ISX 2350, and around 2000 and late 18, 19 it became the X15. 2350, and then today we have the X15 CM2450. All of those changes brought changes in aftertreatment or changes in pieces, parts that were on the aftertreatment systems as they evolved, became more complex, but at the same time more efficient. So to help you to know what you're looking at, when you look at these, you'll see the subject will be, or the title will be Aftertreatment 871. That'd be the ISX 871, the first series, Part 1. Then Aftertreatment 871, Part 2, on until we're done. When you see it change to Aftertreatment 2250, you know we've gone to the next platform. And we'll go through that till we get to the end. We're going to start out looking at pieces, parts. I'm going to tell you what you need to know about those things, kind of how things work. And then as time goes on, we'll progress into using the spreadsheets that I glean out of the data logs to make the graphs that I show you so that we can figure out what's going on, what's happening. We want to get from the place where we're just putting out fires. By that I mean throwing parts on just to make it work to get it out the door, to the place where we're protecting the forest so that there are no fires to put out. When we get to that place, then we're really on top of the game. And when you get there, if you've got a shop, you're gonna be one of the places that people are gonna want to go to, because they'll get a good fix. Might be an expensive one, but it'll be a good one, and it'll be an accurate one. So that's the goal of this whole thing. So let's get started.